On October 6th, Justin Trudeau and Chrystia Freeland announced unprecedented violations of Canadian citizens' charter rights.
Proof of vaccination will be required for all federal employees. Everyone 12 or older on a plane or train within Canada should be fully vaccinated. We'll be there to foot the bill for provinces and territories that roll out proof of vaccination programs.
Then they explained how they were justified in imposing the vaccines on Canadians.
They prevent the spread of COVID-19.
This is about keeping people safe on the job and in their communities.
But are those statements true? Let's fact check them. Dr. Patricia Daly is the VP of Public Health and Chief Medical Officer at Vancouver Coastal Health, which provides healthcare to over 1 million Canadians.
The vaccine passport requires people to be vaccinated to do certain discretionary activities, such as go to restaurants, movies, gyms, not because these places are high risk. We're not actually seeing COVID transmission in these settings. It's really to create an incentive to improve our vaccination coverage.
Furthermore, in July, Dr. Rochelle Walensky of the CDC said this about the vaccines.
What they can't do anymore is prevent transmission.
So let's review.
This is about keeping people safe.
And it's really to create an incentive to get higher vaccination rates.
They prevent the spread of COVID-19.
What they can't do anymore is prevent transmission.
Unfortunately, we have to label the statements of the Prime Minister and Deputy Prime Minister as false, and their actions as scientifically unjustified. Furthermore, we have to label this statement by Justin Trudeau.
The goal is to make sure that everyone who can chooses to get vaccinated
As misleading. If you threaten people with dismissal to get them to submit to a medical intervention, you can't characterize that as giving them a choice. It's medical coercion. And medical coercion is illegal in Canada. It violates the doctrine of informed consent and our charter rights. While some may claim that the Charter provides for limits on our rights and freedoms, it also says these limits must be demonstrably justified, which brings us back to those false statements. Without them, the government's case for restricting our rights and freedoms falls apart. Please share this video with your elected representatives, resist illegal mandates, and say no to vaccine passports.